Thank you for tuning in for us to continue solving our CTVET on NABPTEX 2023 paper 2. So in the previous video we solved this question number 3. So in this video we are going to look at question number 4. A cuboid has a length of 4 meters, breadth of 3 meters, and a height of 12 meters. Determine the length of the longest stick that can be placed in this cuboid. So let's have this illustrated in the picture, as you can see in the diagram. So we have some sticks that are placed in the cuboid. So you can see that the cuboid have a height of 12 meters. Then we have a length of 4 meters here. Then we have the breadth of 3 meters here. We can see that there are some sticks that have been placed in this cuboid. So one of the sticks is EG. They all fit in the box. And one of them is GB. Now we can see that the longest stick that can be placed in this box is BG, which is the same as HC or ED or A to this point. That is the longest stick. They all have the same length. Now if you look at this, if you look at triangle GHE, we have a right angle here. So from that triangle, we know that EG squared, which is the hypotenuse of that right angle triangle, will be equal to the length of 4 squared plus 3 squared. So EG squared, magnitude of EG squared, will be equal to 16 plus 9. So the length of EG squared will be equal to 25. So taking positive square root of both sides, EG squared will be equal to square root of 25. So this will cancel this. That will give us 5 meters. So from E to G is equal to 5 meters. So this place is 5 meters. So we can use EG now and EB to now determine the longest stick, which is BG. So BG squared, which is the length of the longest stick, will be equal to 5 squared plus, because this is also a right angle triangle here, so 5 squared plus 12 squared. So 5 squared will give us 25. Now we add it to 12 squared, which is 144. So BG squared will be equal to 169. Taking the positive square root of both sides, you get BG, that is magnitude of BG, to be equal to 13 meters. Therefore, the length of the longest stick, that can fit into the box, or that can be put in the cuboid, is 13 meters. Thank you so much for tuning in once again for us to solve these questions together. Together we are preparing, we are learning. Now, the next question will be this question that I'll be solving in the next video. So please stay tuned. See you hopefully in the next video. And please don't forget to share. Thanks for doing so.